Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by isolating the data. Copy the sheet and work on the duplicate so you can revert if needed. Next, select the mixed column and try text to columns using the likely delimiter, comma, space, semicolon, or fixed width, because it's fast and reversible. If entries follow a pattern, try flash fill. Excel will learn examples you provide. Once done, scan a few rows to confirm separation and make sure headers remained aligned before moving to the core processing. Now you clean and refine. Use trim and clean to remove stray spaces and non-printing characters, and substitute to fix consistent issues like double spaces or wrong separators. For complex patterns, combine left, mid, right with find and len to extract pieces programmatically, because formulas handle exceptions reliably. Convert numeric text to real numbers with value, or paste special multiply by 1 so sorting and calculations work. Make sure to copy formulas as values once validated, and then prepare for finishing steps and checks. Finish by replacing formulas with values so the sheet is stable, then format columns appropriately dates, numbers, text, to prevent future misinterpretation. Use filter and unique to find duplicates or outliers, and run simple checks like totals or counts to validate integrity. If something goes wrong, isolate a failing row and inspect for hidden characters, inconsistent delimiters, or merged cells. Fix that pattern and reapply the chosen method. Finally, save a clean copy and document the logic for reuse.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.